Wayne Dalton commercial door systems deliver the ideal combination of durability, code compliance, and visual appeal designed for a wide range of applications. Our award-winning lineup of proven performers continues to raise the industry standard. The latest enhancement is an ICC-ES air infiltration option for Model 800C. When you're committed to performance that exceeds customer expectations and complies with the industry standards, you continually find solutions that take products to the next level, such as the case with the Wayne Dalton Model 800C. The International Code Council Evaluation Service, ICC-ES, performs technical evaluations of building products, methods, and materials to ensure companies complied with code requirements. Our Model 800C now offers a new air infiltration option that's been evaluated and approved for insulated rolling service doors that meet the International Energy Conservation Code, IECC. This option includes insulation guides, dual brush guide seals, a lintel seal, and bottom astragol, all of which minimize the transference of temperature and air infiltration. The ICC-ES air infiltration option for Model 800C. When it comes to finding quality and performance in commercial door systems built for real-world business challenges, look no further than Wayne Dalton. To learn more, visit the Architect Resource Center at wayne-dalton.com or contact your local Wayne Dalton salesperson today.